Hello, sweetlings. Oh, my crumbs, let's bake. Hey, Jessie. This is gonna match your pants. Hey, yeah, now this is super cool. On top of using the reverse creaming method. I love the reverse creaming method. The reverse creaming method starts with whisking all your dry ingredients together. Flour, sugar, and friends. Every good cake starts with a little powder party. Good gravy and sugar clouds. Ain't nobody getting past me, no siree. Watch it, feet. Don't embarrass the frosting. You, behave now, you glittery gobstopper. No funny business, no shenanigans, no monkey shines. I got my eye on you, buddy pal. Then mix all your wet ingredients together, even the eggs. Strawberry yogurt makes these layers extra tender, like a cake wearing pajamas. Now we reverse cream the butter into the flour. While the mixer is on low speed, add a chunk of soft butter in there. It's like giving the cake a tiny velvet jacket before it goes into the oven. Let your mixer go on low speed until you get something that looks like Parmesan cheese. You can't overmix at this point because the wet isn't in there to make gluten form with the flour. You hear? Yes, I know that snow globe is chanting. We are not here for charming. Welcome, 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 welcome. Don't touch anything that whispers, hums, or bites. That's what I'm here for. Be careful if it glows. Don't touch it. Don't touch it if it glows. Nope. Add in the oil and let it mix until you get moist sand. This coats the flour and creates a tender crumb. Scrape the bowl and get ready to build the batter. Add in half the wet and mix on medium for 1 minute. We set our timer. Add in the rest on low speed. Glows and bites, that's bad. That's bad. Bad, 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 bad. Don't touch it if it glows. Nope. Glows and bites, that's bad. That's bad. Bad, 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 bad. You know who would actually love this ridiculous place? Glow. We were hoping to get swirls from folding in the fruit spread, but that didn't happen. Fortunately, they invented pink food gel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folds, and that did it. It'll mix even more when we pour it into the pans. And divide the batter evenly. No layer left behind. She's probably back at the diner right now. Coffee pot's empty, eyes half closed, universe mildly on fire, and still refilling mugs like a champion. Don't track mud back in here, you hooligans. And if you break the universe, don't expect me to clean it. Nope. See those strips of fabric? They're cake strips that you soak in water. They change the whole baking process so you get flat tops every time. And into the oven they go. See you soon, you little strawberry darlings. And no peeking until after 20 minutes. Oh my stars and garters! Look at this razzle-dazzle! Trinkets, baubles, sparkly nonsense. Nope, that's a lawsuit waiting to happen. Just a little lemon wakes up the strawberries. Even fruit needs coffee sometimes. Then let it cool.
Nope. Don't remember that. Don't remember ordering that. Nope.
You can't get any bit of yolk or grease or anything in with your whites, or they won't whip up to a beautiful meringue later on. Oh, and don't throw away those yolks. We figured out a recipe for strawberry cheesecake creme brulee with the rest of the leftovers. Click on that link up there. Watch that video next. Yep. Add in the fruit spread right on in there with the sugar, a couple of teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt.
Planet Fruit's funny. Things walk in, things leave. Last week, a hat walked off yelling insults. It grew legs and walked out the door.
World's okayest intergalactic server.
Refill!
If you've ever made Swiss meringue buttercream, this is the same method. Whisk this until it reaches 160 degrees. It only takes like 5 minutes. And whisk this to stiff peaks. We whisk until the frosting is glossy and fluffy like strawberry clouds. But it also needs to cool down to under 90 degrees or it'll melt the whipped mascarpone we're putting in next. So just let it go. It'll cool. Did you know strawberries stop ripening as soon as they're picked? They don't get redder when you get them home. So cut off that part because it's bitter anyway.
Oh yeah, that's a good one, that's a good one, that's a good one. Yep. Get that one.
Absolutely not.
Refill!
Well, I'll be dipped in glitter glue. The t-shirt rack. Ooh. And back over at this cloud frosting, whisk together the mascarpone cheese and vanilla. Add in the heavy cream in halves. It helps to loosen it up a bit so you get a smooth outcome. And whisk to soft peaks, mascarpone and cream. Now that's what I call dairy royalty. And this is the technical part. Add your boiled icing to the mascarpone and fold it in. If you go the other way, you are in jeopardy of deflating the meringue and you have to start all over again. Gentle folds only, sweetenings. We don't want to knock the fluff out of our frosting. That's it! Whoa, yeah! Understated, honest, aspirational, and statistically impressive.
Back already, huh? Didn't you two just buy Destiny jewelry? I thought so. Yep.
Layer 1, strawberry filling. Layer 2, more strawberry joy. This cake is stacking up to be magnificent. That's a frosting dam to keep the filling from oozing out, and the strawberry chunks keep the top layers up like pillars. Spread the frosting like you're tucking the cake in a cozy strawberry blanket. And here is our little friend. It helps Big Val there spread the frosting evenly. We're shopping for a friend. She deserves hazard pay and commemorative apparel. She's gonna pretend she hates it and then wear it every shift.
Huh? Exact change again. I'm starting to like you two. Come on back anytime now, you hear?
Take a skewer and spread that pink food gel along the crease. Fill your bag like this, and this leaves less air bubbles. A little test to get the stripe going. Oh, look at those bakery swirls. Dramatic? Yes. Necessary? Also yes. If you decide you don't like one, scoop it off and have some more fun. A proper cake always wears a fancy skirt.